Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. This time we are going to unbox this 4 Hot Wheels car that I got from peg hunting. Hope you enjoyed! In light blue we got 94 Bugatti EB110 Super Sport. In gray, we got Mclaren F1. In black, we got 98 Subaru Imprezza 22B STI. Last but not least, we got LB Works Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram page. There I will be posting some Hot Wheels content as well. Links will be in the description. Bye bye!